Hi, my name is Masha Bintali. I'm doing my major in PR from Media Studies and Journalism department here in ULAB. PR is one of the finest majors that ULAB has offered from the MSJ department. Did you just see what I did there? I just said PR as a brand for ULAB. As just the way institution needs and a branding, similarly a person also needs a branding. So here goes why self-branding is important. Self-branding is an activity in individuals' lives where they play a functioning job. There are huge amounts of advantages that individuals can get from making their image. Additionally, self-branding permits an individual to self-deal with their existence without relying upon others. An individual's image is a significant piece of an individual's profession. It keeps your current in your chosen field, opens many entrances for you, and makes an enduring impact on target audiences. By building up your own image, underlying recognition. In the event that you don't brand yourself, another person will, and the result will probably not in your support. Branding yourself is not completely about who you are as an individual, yet for the most part about what sort of administration and products you can offer. A customer will normally pick somebody they have recently known about to deal with their most recent venture, and in the event that you did not leave a feeling that shows you are an incredible master and in your work, you are straight stuck between a rock and a hard place. They have had nothing so as to separate you from the rest, and remarkableness will tell you. There are a few reasons why self-branding is important. First, input your trust in customers. Building up individual brand causes individuals to feel great while working. It likewise sets up trust to the associates. Having an individual brand likewise makes expectations that are clear and authentic, which are keys in encouraging trust. Individuals will feel increasingly good when they can think about what an individual can do. At that point, when individuals know about an individual's vitality source, they will keep quiet in leaving that person alone responsible for their necessities. In any event, passing out business cards would not be an issue if individuals previously put their trust in the individual. Building up connections to attract your target market or target audience is the second point. Individual marketing enables an individual to construct associations in various fields and their regions of strength. There is no restriction to individual marketing if it can go past the advanced world. When an individual forms his notoriety, it will assist them with getting more presentation like talking occasions. With the assistance of these occasions, he can begin gathering minimal effort business cards to take a shot of potential leads and associations. The third point is building credibility. Self-branding helps an individual in building up his name as an idea chief and master in his general vicinity of claim to fame. It helps in picking up acknowledgement in their specialized topic. An individual likewise fabricates an enduring impression and a self-price for the singularity itself. Adoration, regard, and trust will join an individual's name. There are messages implemented in the attention to the focus advertised. Individuals will see an individual as a specialist on the off chance that the person in question is increasingly noticeable to their intended interest group. A brand will drive an individual to the highest point of the picked commercial center, even an individual's modest believability. The capacity individuals are looking rather than physical things. The fourth point is gaining confidence. People can likewise gain confidence while they are building up their image. The addition of confidence will originate from their positive characteristics and qualities that they could share freely. On the off chance that individuals realize that they have something which they can offer, their confidence will take off. A very much done self-branding will underline the qualities of an individual and can provide guidance with respect to where the individual in question can utilize those qualities. Then the fifth point would be, and this would be the last point, keeping it authentic. Self-branding originates from enthusiasm, abilities, objectives, and qualities. It is an after effect of an individual's taste for satisfaction and significance. It also enables an individual to develop from something that the person in question accepts. Self-branding is an individual itself and nobody else. It does not permit people to make an invented voice or a phony persona that is not truly them. Self-branding enables an individual to be bona fide. which can otherwise support that person in satisfying things in life simpler. An individual's life will spin around work while organizing qualities and exploiting the gifts that brings the person in question satisfaction. Self-branding helps to limit an individual's shortcomings. It helps improving the shortcomings. Creating the brand at the point helps with deciding whether there is a need to utilize the most fragile aptitude. It also offers various advantages to an individual's life and vocation, of trust, genuineness, and validity. It is significant that individuals realize that building their branding is significant and accommodating. Thank you very much.